Welcome back. This is another episode, and here we're going to now run an outside tap because I need to remove our existing water supply and stopcock. I need to move it to new cupboard, so I'm going to lose my temporary water tap that is in the kitchen. So here outside on the front of the house where the driveway is, I'm going to install outside tap, which is going to be handy in future for washing cars or watering plants or anything, any watery needs on the front. And here is our service cupboard. I have removed the old gas pipe that was leading towards the kitchen and fireplace. So here we got our existing water mains and our new water mains. So I'll connect the existing one so we can have water now at the moment, and when we connect on the road this new blue one, MDPE one, then I'll just swap them over, because 15mm comes out of that one and 15mm comes out of this one. Now, because old stopcock was a bit dodgy, I got new stopcock that will go on this pipe here, an old one, and this 15mm push width pipe leads outside to outside tap, so you can have one tap working, and that will stay permanently there as well, so it's going to have isolator there. Now is the time to throw some stud walls up. So I'm going to separate the bathroom from the kitchen and put a doorway that way, and then in the other room we're going to divide it in half to make 2 bedrooms basically. So first of all we're going to start here. We've got some 3x2 CLS. I'm going to make a stud wall, fix it up, and then make the other one.
do apologize. For some reason my camera stopped working in mid construction. So there it is. It's a doorway to the bathroom. This is going to be a little bathroom, toilet and a basin here, and a bath along that side. Door will open against that wall. That is why we have reduced window opening, because being small property doesn't need bigger bathroom than 2.4 by 2 meters, which is 7 by 8 foot roughly. It's plenty big enough. But now the kitchen is gone from being this big into being this big. We have gained 2 feet in the kitchen. And with open plan, open space, losing that wall there, up to there, we actually making lounge, ex-bedroom, feel much more comfortable and flowy with the kitchen as well. Sort of like going diagonally on a plan. So yeah, that wall is done. All I need to do is just cut this excess of the plate off and put another stud wall there. And here is, that's another wall. Now that wall, I still need to do some minor things. I need to put some noggins in and just pack underneath here where the floor is missing with 18mm packer. And just a couple of extra fixings into that masonry wall there. But even with as it is, it's pretty flat, solid. So here will be doorway to go into the bedroom. It will open either left or right, it doesn't really matter. And here's the bedroom. Small bedroom. I didn't even throw a tape around it. So is just under 10 foot, 3 meters, 3 meters that way, and this way up to the lobby, 2.7, so that's 9 foot, 10 foot by 9 foot. It's not that bad actually, 10 foot by 9 foot, and that one there, the other side. Let's squeeze into like a ghost. This one is even bigger. So that's the space for a wardrobe of some sort. This was 2.8, yeah, 9 foot and 2 inches. And lengthwise, roughly in line with that joist there, 11 foot 4, which is 3.5 meters up to the wardrobe. Yeah, so they're both quite nice bedrooms, quite nice sizes. Good. Well, that would be large single or small double, and this would be a double bed. Yeah, so now it's just gone 8 o'clock. I'm not going to do any more noise, don't want to annoy neighbours. I'll carry on tomorrow. Cheers. And there you go. That was job for tonight. Just to get just ton of stones spread across driveway. And tomorrow is Saturday, so tomorrow I'm gonna have a good old push here with loads of different things. So it's gonna be dinner time now, and then good old push. Gonna square up all these rooms, get all this cornicing down. I got buttons for the ceiling. I'm gonna counter button the ceilings ready for plasterboard. Just basically prepare everything so it's ready.